Ah, how about this one?
Yeah!
Yeah. All right.
Yeah!
Yeah, hop in.
Yeah!
Cool.
Hey, this thing's kind of a piece of crap. That's a start.
No. This car is great.
Yeah?
Yeah. You know, it's automatic. It's systematic. It's hydromatic. Why can we refine it? Yeah. Why don't you try and start it up?
Yeah!
Yeah.
Yeah! Come on, baby. Come on. Now, one more try.
It's good. Oh,
That could have went better.
I could have went better. Well, I guess we're stuck here in the past. What do you suppose we're going to do now?
I don't know.
Well, you know,
It's Saturday night.
it's Saturday night.
We could go down to the hall.
The firemen are having their cash raffle.
Yeah?
That's always a